Hi, we want to show you some of the exciting new features that Zapit has released as part of the package Smart Mass Update. And it has to do with standardization of data. This is a common issue that many people deal with when they have to try to make sure that the address information is consistent, as well as phone numbers. And it was often you have to fix up the data one at a time or do some sort of mass update requiring uploads and downloads. And now, thanks to the new update, it all can be done within Smart Mass tools. So let's look at a text field here, billing city. We would like to make it all in the proper format, meaning the first letter capital and then the rest lowercase. We see San Francisco, it's all lowercase. The next one as well. Chicago, someone put in the first two capitals and the rest lowercase. Miami, it's all capitals. Here, Mountain View, only the first one's capital. We would like both to be capital. This one's the opposite. So let's try to fix this up quickly with Smart Mass Update. So click on the button Mass Update. You might be familiar with this pop-up window, but we have a new icon here, which we use for the data standardization. So if we click on it, we're going to see it actually knows, based on the type of field it is, this is a text field, what are the appropriate standardization tools to use. So we have the options here of lowercase, uppercase, to make all of it in that format. We can make the first letter uppercase, or we can make the first letter of every word uppercase, which is what we want to do now. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick this, and in case we're not sure what it's going to be, we can always preview it before saving. So that's what we're going to do now. We're going to preview the changes. So click on here, and it goes quite quickly. We'll see in a couple seconds all of the data is nicely standardized here. San Francisco, Chicago, it took out the second letter. Mountain Views are all right. So that worked great. Okay, let's go into the next thing of country and state. That's something that people often like to have abbreviated, especially when they're sending with addresses. They want everything to be standardized in the same format. So we'll see in ours, it's not like that. We have some states with abbreviations, the two-letter state names, some of them in full names. We'd like them all to be the same. So we could choose either way now. So again, we click on the records, click on Mass Update, and now, since it's a state field, it automatically knows which options to choose for us. So we can choose either between making them all two characters, the abbreviation, or the long. So let's take the two state characters, and we'll just do a preview now, and we're going to see within a couple seconds, without having to do any uploads, all of our data is fixed. We like what we do. We can save it. If there's any rows that we didn't want to fix, let's say one of them was not United States, and we didn't want to fix it, so then we could always unclick that row and save it. We're going to leave it the way it is for now and move on to country. We have the same option basically with country. In addition, you could have another option of, some people like having the two-letter abbreviation or three-letter abbreviation. You have both options now. Let's say we want, or you can have the full name if you like. So let's say we pick that. Some have USA, United States. Now it's all US. It's all the same very quickly. The one last change we have is going to be now with phone numbers. This can also be helpful when you're dialing. You want the phone number to be in a standard format. So we'll see here that, right, the brackets are on some, not on the other. Some have hyphens. With the extension, some say extension, some are not marked off as extension. It's not so easy to look at. So with this tool, it's going to look, and any phone number that has at least 7 digits that looks like a normal phone number, we can easily fix up with one click. We can also filter it by country. If you only don't do United States, we could do that. And again, we'll click on Mass Update, go to the account. It automatically knows which standardization option to choose since it's a phone field. We'll pick it, and now let's preview and see what happens. And you see on all the ones that have a normal size phone number, it fixed it up into the same format, including marking off the extensions as so. And that is the new tools that we have available for you. I hope that you enjoy it, and please let us know if you have any questions or ideas. Thank you very much.